Hi Sam, this is Pradeep Kaur, student of your class Communication 125. Today I am here to present my job sector report. Hope you like this. In this I have chosen a topic staples. We all know that it is a 2000 stores over worldwide in 26 countries. In this sells supplies in office machines, promotional product, furniture, technology and business services both in stores and online. It also offers photocopying and print services. The purpose of this report is qualification needed, demand of labor, benefits, responsibilities of employees, competitive level and many things. Sources and methods of staples are training, interview, application form, experience and many. The skilled labor program requires a cashier 8.2%, furniture requires 3.2 and promotional product 1.4%, office machines require 1.2%, which is needed. But if we need a high skilled labor, then we need to do something different, as other companies are paying $10 for full time and $11 for overtime. But if we will pay $11 for full time and $12 for overtime, then automatically each and everyone wants to come and do job here. Then we can have our choice to choose a labor. Like this we can choose a high skilled labor. Also in competition we need to do something different, as if anyone sells more than $100, then we can make a bonus of $15, which can interact employees. Like this the competition between them will increase and they will become more and more competitive. Also in working conditions, retail customer service inexperienced retail customer services require 1.1 or 2 year of supervisory experience is required. In education, high school education is at least it is needed. Also the time schedule of the employees will meet with the business time schedule. Also their communication level should be with the customers should be fluent and excellent. They should be polite with customer, so that customer would interact and come to Staples. And moreover they require moreover they should work as a part of team. They retail in a diplomatic manner. In conclusion, I would like to say, in conclusion, the great success of work, employment and finance is required, as if we will work like this, then Staples will we will work and we will have a more and more profit. We will get high skilled labor. We will also increase in finance. If we will do like this, these things attract more and more customer with this. And also if we will go like this only, then this will be visible in future. Thank you.